Welcome to another Cold Case install. This is a video showing the installation of our GMT 570A and GMT 569A radiator in a 2012 Chevy truck. Begin by dropping the new Cold Case radiator into the truck. Reinstall the two bolts connecting the radiator to the rad support. We're leaving these hand tight for now. We are replacing the stock hose clamps with worm gear clamps, so reconnect the lower hose and tighten the new clamp. Drop in the shroud and fans. Reinstall the two bolts connecting the fan shroud to the rad support. Install the hose onto the radiator and tighten down the new clamp. Clip in the upper rad hose. Install the transmission cooler lines into the Cold Case radiator. Install the crossover coolant hose onto the new radiator. Install the reservoir hose onto the radiator and tighten down the new clamp. Now tighten down the 4 bolts on the rad support holding the radiator and fan shroud. Reconnect the fans. Tighten the petcock. Refill the reservoir with coolant. Reinstall the air filter. Tighten the cap on the coolant reservoir. Reinstall the plastic clips on the plastic shroud. Enjoy your new Cold Case radiator, and if you have any feedback, drop a comment below.